What's going on, guys? Alan here. So I'm just going to be doing a super quick installation video of the carbon fiber arch guards by Automotive Passion. So I'm just going to be showing it on one of the sides, and then you're going to get an idea of how to do the whole car. Alright, so this is what you're going to be needing for the installation. As we can see, we got the two carbon fiber arch guards. We got the 3M double-sided tape, which we're going to be applying. These are the fasteners that come with the kit. This is just a pry tool for removing the OEM fasteners, and then just some cloth and some rubbing alcohol in order to clean the area up. So for the first step, what you got to do is you got to use a small sharp tool, and you have to press into the center of the mushroom plugs of the wheel well. So how it goes about is you just line it up and push straight in, and then you could just remove it by using a flathead screwdriver. Just like this. So next, what you want to do is just use some rubbing alcohol or acetone and microfiber cloth to clean up the area and make sure that there's no dirt or anything around, so you can attach using the double-sided tape. Alright, so as you can see, I've gone ahead and placed some double-sided tape, and what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to remove the masking, and then I'm going to position it so that the holes are aligning with the OEM holes. So I'll show you what that looks like right when I do it. Alright, so as you can see, I've placed the piece in place like this, and I haven't put these in yet because I'm making sure that they're aligned really well, but this is how it looks. So the double-sided tape is making it nice and sticky, and everything is in place, and then I'm just going to align it a little bit more, and I'm going to place these fasteners, these brand new fasteners, into it. So as we can see, I've placed the fasteners, and the little middle sections are out right now. So what you want to do before hammering them in is push this part, the middle part, so that this part on the side is flush, and then you just hammer them in, and I'll show you what it looks like right after. Hard like this, and lightly hammered in, just like that. So here you have it. This is what it looks like when it's done. As you can see, it's going to be blocking the front tire from spewing a bunch of stuff and kicking up dirt and rocks to the rear quarter panel, which is a definite necessary thing for the M2. So that's what it looks like. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to put the link to the product in the description. Now that you saw the one side, it should help you for the other side. Thank you very much.